Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials: a launcher installed, a saved backup, and your wallpaper and icon pack ready. Once those are in place, long press an empty area of the home screen to open layout controls. Tap Home Settings and set your chosen launcher as default. This makes custom actions persistent. Next, select the grid size and enable gesture shortcuts so you control density and motion. Make sure to export a layout backup now. It prevents losing work if you test themes. Now you build the visible system. Add widgets and arrange icons for usability. Tap and hold a widget to place and resize. Once placed, open the widget settings to configure content and refresh intervals. Use folders to group apps, drag icons to folder corners to rename, and swap icons by long pressing an app, then edit. If your launcher supports gestures or shortcuts, bind frequent tasks. Once done, tidy spacing and activate icon padding to align. Finish by saving a final backup and enabling any layout lock options your launcher offers. This prevents accidental changes. Test persistence by switching away and back to the launcher, and restart the device to ensure widgets mount correctly. If an icon or widget disappears, clear the launcher cache and restart the launcher. If that fails, reapply your saved backup. As a last resort, reinstall the launcher or restore factory widget settings, and make note of app permissions that can block widgets from updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.